All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will win. MS Party. Around life. My happiness. Jai Hind.
To you by Tanishka from grade 6 Tobas. International news. Police raid more European Union Parliament offices in corruption-prone. National news. Indian Air Force allows women to join its allied Garud Commando Force. Thank you. My friend Shashwant will continue state and sports news.
Today's state news. 70 years old woman with red disorder talks Telugu in American Asian. Sports news. Football World Cup quarter. Lionel Messi has taken Argentina into finals. Thank you. My friend Avinash will bring you the weather report. Thank you. Weather report. Minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. Thank you. My friend Aravind will continue thought.
Good morning to everyone. Today's thought. Wake up with determination. Go to bed with satisfaction. Today's thought. Wake up with determination. Go to bed with satisfaction. I repeat it again. Wake up with determination. Go to bed with satisfaction. Thank you. My friend Vaishali will continue word.
Today's word is brought to you by Vaishali from grade 6 Tobas. Word determination, meaning the ability to continue trying to do something, although it is very difficult. I repeat it again. Determination, meaning the ability to continue trying to do something, although it is very difficult. Friends, please spell after me. DETERMINATION. Determination. Thank you. My friend Charan will continue the biography.
Biography of Sarojini Naidu is called is brought to you by Charan Kumar of grade 6 Tobas. Sarojini Naidu was a great Indian poet, an ideal for everyone, a freedom fighter and a political activist. This eminent woman was born in Bengali family in Hyderabad on February 13, 1879. Her family had great artists and were well known in Hyderabad. She was passionate follower of Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you. My friend Ashmita will continue achievements of Sarojini Naidu.
My name is Ashmita. I am from grade 6 Topaz. Achievements of Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was the child poetry, freedom fighter and poet who is known as the Nightingale of India or Bharatiya Koila. She was the first Indian woman to become the president of Indian National Congress and the first woman governor of Uttar Pradesh, India's fourth largest state. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I am Simon Reddy of grade Jasper. I promise that I will be a good citizen of my country, good student of my school, good friend of my friends, good son of my parents. Thank you.
Good morning. Happy morning everyone. My name is Mohammed Young. I am from grade 4000. I promise that I will be good citizen of my country. I will be good student of my school. I will be good child of my parents. I will be good brother of my sister. Thank you.
Stretch your body, everyone.